Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to fix the forget passcode in iPhone. Go to browser and enter this URL and choose iPhone. In my case I have 15 Pro, so I am choosing 15 Pro. Download the first file and tap download. Again choose download. Take your phone and shut down it. Now I am going to shut down my mobile. Now I am going to connect Type-C one end to my mobile and another end to my laptop if you have PC also. Quickly press and release volume up and volume down and hold this power button for 15 seconds. Then you will get a screen like restore screen. Then release the power button. Now you will notice the notification on your PC. Then open iTunes and hit close the screen. Hold shift key on your keyboard and click restore iPhone and choose the file, the latest one you have downloaded before. So kindly reconfirm the file as same you downloaded. This is the file which I downloaded. This is the same one. So tap open and click restore. Now it's going to extracting the software to your iPhone. It takes nearby 10 minutes to restore your iPhone to the factory default settings.